Welcome, welcome, lovely hospitality people on this beautiful Monday. Welcome and happy week, everybody. Let's go ahead and do a quick video. And we're looking at Hotel Verdigris in Phuket. And yeah, it's just a very good example on how not to structure your rooms pages, because last time we saw a beautiful room page. Now let's have a look at the room pages at Hotel Verdigris. I mean, have a look at the room rate. Pretty nice, 4.8. I mean, they know what they're doing offline, absolutely, but online, totally different story. Have a look at it, and that's the rooms pages, and that's it. So this is definitely not what you should do. I mean, have a look at it. This picture, I'm not sure why it's here, but yeah, it does not make any sense. Even here, you know, not really sure what's going on. So that's all about the room, you know. Brass room complete with a comfortable bed. I hope you have a bed, you know. Work desk, and then, okay. And then see amenities. Yeah, that's not the way to go. Then again, bronze room, 28 square meter. This was 25 to 32. Okay, that's a higher category. I mean, why are you have pictures like this from the room? Where is the room? I really don't understand. Copper Junior Suite, all right. See amenities. As well, not much. Okay, this is a little bit we can see from the room. But yeah, this is not how you should do it, you know. This is not the way to do to show up your page. And then the suite, 60 square meter, and then we have a picture like that. Where is this picture from? I have no idea. Totally blurry. There are no further pictures. I mean, it's a suite, 60 square meter, and you have just this as a description. Come on. That's absolutely not the right way to do. I mean, you have some pictures here, you know, you have pictures here, you have pictures here on your Instagram profile. I mean, look at this, you know, look at this, nice. I would even use this picture. It's a lovely picture, you know. But come on, why is your rooms pages like this? That's absolutely not the way to go. Explain it. Do you really think people want to book like this direct? No way. I'm sure no one want to book directly like this, because if they see this, they have zero information. They don't know what's going on inside the room. What do you offer? What is there? You know, they know nothing. Yeah, so unfortunately, that's the reality sometimes. 0H1, 4H2s, absolutely not good. So, all right, that's it, everybody. Please have a look at it and audit your own websites and have a look at it, what you can change. Thank you very much, and I hope it was helpful. Bye-bye.